Are you saying hi? Can you wave hi? Hi. Hi, Parker. Are you flirting with the camera? Yeah? Look at you blink. Look at you blink. Yes, I love you too. Why don't you show everybody how you walk? Go see the beast. Go to the beast. Whoa! Oh, that stupid block got in the way. Well, come back over here. You saying hello? Say hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Are you gonna show everybody how you walk? Go get the beast over there. Beast is over there. Go get him. Go get the beast. Oopsies. You wanna get up? I have to help you up though, don't I? Come here. Come on. Up you go. Now you're gonna go get the beast there. Oh, there he is. Oh no. Oh no. Careful, he walked away. Rah, rah, rah. That's his butt. That's nice. That's nice. That's very nice. Yeah. Yeah. Beast, where'd he go? You sat down! Are you all done? Okay. Well, everybody saw how you walked. All by yourself. A few bumps in the road, but you made it. Yes. The beast is over there. Hey, are you gonna say bye-bye to everybody? Huh? You gonna say bye-bye? Or are you just gonna play with the beast? Alright, well he's too busy playing with the beast, but we're gonna say bye-bye to everybody right now.